The Texas Department of State Health Services says whooping cough is on the rise this year. The number of cases in 2024 has nearly tripled the amount seen by this time last year. Whooping cough often starts with cold-like symptoms and then progresses into severe coughing fits that can cause vomiting or that whooping sound during inhalation. Infants under 1 year who aren't fully immunized are the most at risk for severe complications. Vaccination is still the most effective prevention method. If you do have symptoms of whooping cough, state health officials stress the importance of staying home and contacting a healthcare provider for treatment.